Hello, Daryl from Makita. Today we're going to look at the 18 volt LXT router trimmer. The model number is the DRT50ZJX3. So what that means is you get the body of the router and you get 3 extra bases and lots of accessories. So let's have a look what's in the box. So we're going to open the box now. So you get this nice solid Mac pack case. And I'll lift out the items. So you've got the tilt base. This, by changing the little levers on the side, lets you do all the various angles. So that's one of the bases. You've got the plunge base. So when you take that onto the machine, you can do it as a spring-loaded machine. You've also got the offset base. So if you want to get into an angle, the cutter is over here and the body is here, so you can get right into corners. We've got the machine itself, which comes with the base, quick release, and then the accessories that come with it. You've got all the spanners, 2 template guides. So you've got the little template guide that fits that base, and you've got the template guide that fits the plunge base. Also, we've got a couple of fences. So the fence fits that base, which is for straight cutting. You've got the roller guide with a little roller wheel on there, which also fits that base. So if you want to follow shapes and edges. And then you've got all the little accessories in the bag. So you've got the dust extraction port for the plunge base. And you've got the dust extraction port for the trimmer base. So let's have a look at the machine in a little bit more detail. It's a brushless model. It's got a variable speed on there, so great if you're doing different types of materials and woods. You can't just start this machine, you've got an on-off button. You have got a variable speed brushless motor in there, so you're going to get longer run out of your batteries. It doesn't include batteries in the kit. It's designed so that you can add it to your kit and it'll work off any 18 volt LXT battery. It's a quick release on the back. You've got roughly a 40mm plunge capacity on there. If you put the router base on, it's just a matter of taking the lever off, lifting the base out, releasing the lever on the plunge base, and then it'll just line itself up like so, lock it back in. You've now got it as a plunge router. So that'll do a 35mm plunge. DRT50ZJX3. So it means it comes with 3 extra bases. So they're your 3 bases, and that's your machine itself. So you can use it in different capacities for different jobs. Beveling material, putting edges on material, putting grooves in material, getting into corners and putting little holes in, and obviously taking things like laminate off and adhesive type laminates. If you like what you see, it could be the machine for you. Thanks for watching.